up, Twinks? Welcome back to Raiders franchise. This week we're playing the Chiefs. I think we're gonna. I've been seeing a bunch of rumors that Jacoby Myers is gonna get traded. What is it, week 7? I think we're gonna play this game, and then on the bye week we're gonna make some trades. Is that what we're gonna do? Yeah. What we're gonna do is start Thornton over Myers. Yeah. We're gonna put Thornton at receiver 1. Have Jacoby Myers sit this game, and we'll see what happens. Let's see see how bad it is without Jacoby Myers. Let's see how bad we do need him. Because if we don't need him, I'll definitely trade him for something. Winning this game, it would probably put us in a weird situation of if we even try to, keep going to try to make the playoffs. Because if who's Denver playing? Denver's playing the Giants, which I don't, I don't think the Giants are gonna beat them. And I think Chargers, no matter what, are gonna make the playoffs. I don't think there's any possible way we even try to make a push to the playoffs because I don't think our defense can handle it because we're fucking 24th defense overall. Fuck. I think we might trade Parham too, just because he's not doing good in real life, and I don't even like him anymore, so we'll probably get rid of him. This is what I want to change. No, you stay out here. How is he better at? All right, whatever. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Raiders Chiefs. Fuck Mahomes. All right, Gino. Let's see if you can get cooking. This season, 12-12. I mean, God damn, this guy sucks. We probably have the youngest receiving core in this fucking league. So this is how this game is gonna be. What? Crosby's out for the game? What the fuck? You gotta be shitting me. Oh, this game just got way harder. Now we got Brock Bowers. Bitch. You know, we're gonna go deep to Thornton right now. Right now. Finally, Jesus Christ. If he can split those two safeties, it's gonna be a big play. Ah, shit. I don't think he can. Oh, fuck. Ah, fuck. And we lost the ball. Gina's so fucking slow, man. God damn. What, Jetty, make him. Yeah, that's why you're trading your bitch ass. I need to talk about this upcoming week. This upcoming week, I'm not. Oh. Okay, that was just a bad pass. What the fuck was that, Gino? That was a dick ass throw. He was wide open too. Not wide open, but like that would have been a good pass. Oh. Oh, he was right fucking there, dude. That was a perfect ball. Ah. Oh my god, now we gotta punt the ball. Yeah, this game coming up against the Chiefs, I don't have big hopes for it. Obviously for every fucking game, there's no hope. There's no hope with this fucking team. I should put backspin. But yeah, there's no hope for this team. And especially with Jacoby Myers asking for a trade now, it's just gonna make things even harder for us because what our receiver one's gonna be Trey Tucker. Trey Tucker. Trey Tucker's gonna be a receiver one. Second and 10. Oh yeah, who's that? Hemingway? That's Hemingway, yeah. Big ass Tatanka. But yeah, going back to the Titans game in real life. Oh yeah, Jeremy Chin. Fuck yeah. Fourth down. But yeah, going back to the Titans game in real life, that shit was embarrassing. People are happy that we won and shit. Like no, that shit was embarrassing. We when we picked that, when was it? Did we pick it off or like it was a fumble? I think it was a fumble. Like in the back of like by our goal line. Titans fumble and we were like had the ball at like our 10. And it took us. It was so hard for us to score. For some reason, it was so hard for us to score. Like I had no confidence in us scoring. Why is it lagging? I should have threw that. We're gonna run, Gino. Oh shit! But yeah, the one time we do good, I think our team does good in the game, is this game is where Gino sucked the most. Gino sucked the most this game against the Titans. No, was it Gino that sucked the most? Who sucked the most in this game? Because I remember our O-line blocking good. Or am I delusional? But yeah, oh no, Gino was like scared to throw anything. Gino wasn't taking any chances. Anytime he had a rush coming, he took the ball and took the sack. Oh my fucking god, bro! What? I can't. I'm trying to throw the ball, but I have no time. Low key, I should have let the ball go right there because I was looking for Thornton coming across, and he was gonna be wide open, but I was waiting for him to get in the open. But I think no. What should have happened is Dill Parham should stay on his block. That's what he should do. If I could, okay. What? Just stay on him. You have Colton Miller to your left. Just stay on his side, and he's not getting through you guys. But no, you want to. Oh my God, he sucked, Parham. Ah, fuck, that's going into the end zone. Oh, bomb ass punt. Oh no! Did he touch that? He touched that. That's our ball. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah! What an elite play. Watch, I'm gonna throw a pick. Can't throw a pick if I'm running the ball. Ah, shit. There's no way I was gonna. Oh, no. Oh, my. Dude, are you kidding me? Ah! Why is Genty open? Why is Genty open? I don't. Genty touchdown. I mean, that's their fault. They should cover him. Yeah, continuing on the Titans game. I. Pardon. We should have done way better against the Titans because it's the Titans. We should have blown them out, but no, our team is. It's not even our team. It's our coaches. Our coaches don't know how to coach. Special teams a dick, O line's dick, D line's dick. And I remember Spytech saying like at the start of the season, like, oh, it starts in the trenches. Like, your trenches is dick. Who do you have? Max Crosby and Tyree Wilson? Tyree Wilson's playing like shit. And he's not, but like he's not consistent. He barely comes out and like makes a play. Anyways, they have negative 5 yards. 1st and 10, Chiefs. Oy! Oh yeah. Oh, fuck yeah. Third and 9. Oh, let's stop it one more time. What's today? Today is Friday, October 17th. So this game's, I don't know if this video is gonna be coming out like, fuck. Of course, Darnell Holmes. I don't know if this video is gonna come out before this game actually plays. I'll try to get it out, but highly doubt it comes out. But um, uh, hell yeah, I played good this game. Holy shit, Jeremy Chin is a beast right now. Might actually keep him. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get more videos out as much as I can. I probably won't be recording at all this week because of work. And work is fucking killing me right now. Fuck yeah, punt that ball, bitch. Yeah, work is fucking killing me right now. I don't know if I'm gonna record all this week, but I'm probably gonna record like a bunch of videos today and just put them out at like every different day. Catch it. I should let that shit go. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. I should let that shit go. Last week, 231 yards. Damn. I love Genty so much. Oh, Rogers is back out. All right. I'm trying to look for Thorin. We need to get Thorin involved. It's awesome. All right. More involved. That was a bad route, but whatever. Ooh, we might get open here. Oh, if he covers by it. No, we're still going to throw it. He's faster than him. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? What the fuck was that? Russ 96 feet. Come on, run faster than him. Anyway, 2nd and 10. We're going to rush for Genty on the left. If we can get the blocks. What's this? Oh, no way. Go, Genty. Go, Genty. Ah, fuck. I love Genty so much. I want to get more passes to these guys, but I don't. That's the reason. We can't fucking block. Like I want to get like Jack Beck more involved to get his you know, fuck. To get his overall, but we can't. We have no time to throw. And maybe if Brock Bowers can, go up for the ball when I'm holding Y, that'd be awesome. Cause he'd even try. He'd even fucking try. And Gino's interception per game keeps going. Like he'd even try. Like I was like holding him back too. I was like holding the stick down back too, so he could like stay there. But no, he just didn't move. Oh, yep. Don't let me change to Darnell Holmes. Even though I pressed B, it's gonna be one of those games, isn't it? Oh, he's wide open. I want to punch Juju like Brian Branch did. 2nd and 2. Oh, they're probably gonna run him with Hunt. Nope. Oh, it's a screen of Hunt. Oh shit. What's this? Dude, Chin is playing amazing this game. He needs to keep this shit going. He has probably like 5 tackles already. I'm gonna stay on him. Been playing good with him. Oh shit. Oh my fucking god, bro. That's probably my fault. That was definitely my fault. I shouldn't have changed Darnell Holmes. Well, tie game, 7-7. We're gonna keep running the ball with Genty. I shouldn't be throwing the ball. No, I'm not gonna throw that. You see how Power Johnson just stood there? This guy didn't even block him. Fuck, we're not gonna get anything going in this game, are we? Like that! With Thornton! Where are you running to? Oh my god, bro. Dude. Oh, fucking god, bro. What is... what? Like, I kind of liked it. I liked throwing that ball. I think it was a shit ball, though. It was definitely a shit ball. Maybe if I planted my feet. I probably should have planted my feet instead of running. But, yeah, that would have been a good ball. I think by the time I changed to Thorin, it was too late. That ball was going straight to that guy. Alright, Chiefs ball at fucking 29. Oh, yep, just don't get off the block, totally. I'm trying to get pick reporter. User pick reporter. Nope. Nope. We're just gonna have the tight end wide open. Shit. Whose guy is that? Why was he so open? Noah Gray. Fuck, just like that, they have 14 points. They're the lead. Like, we can't run the ball because they have so much people in the box. And our guys can't stay on their blocks. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh, Jack Beck's wide open. Go Beck. Us. Fuck me, bro. He cannot juke for shit. Come on, white boy. No. No. Brock Bowers could maybe open. I'm gonna force it. Not. Yep. Bad ball. All right. Let's. Fuck. I want to throw to Brock Bowers, but I know those two safeties is gonna fucking come up and pick it off again. We're just gonna go Tucker. That was a shit ball. All right. Jack back on the street. Maybe in a corner. He could probably get open on that corner. If not, I don't know who else to throw to. Thornton. Good ball. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. Touchdown. First career touchdown. See, we don't need Jacoby Myers. Thornton does the exact same thing. Tie it up. Let's go. What's up, cuh? We want cuh. Alright. Fuck. First and 10. Casey. I think we might trade away. No, not trade away Palma, but like get rid of him next season. I don't want Jackson out there. Oh, hold up. Oh shit. Break that. Oh my fucking god, Stokes, you're a fucking dick, bro. Bro, I don't know how Pete Carroll signed all these corners and thought, oh yeah, these guys, these are the fucking. He really started the season looking at this corner like, oh yeah, these are the guys. These are the guys. These guys are a dick. Second and 7. No pass rush at all. No pressure at all. Just gonna do the QB sneak. I know it. I fucking knew it. hate that shit. Two-minute warning. 14-14, all tied up. We're in this game. It's still a game here. I don't know if we could. I mean, we stopped them once on. We stopped them once. I don't know. We haven't stopped them yet. Kelsey's gonna come in the middle of the flat right here. No, he's gonna block. Yeah, he's gonna block. Oh, get him! Who's that? Is that Kuntz? Oh, it's Tyree Wilson. Fuck yeah! All right. Let's keep this going. Let's keep this going. Might as well. Oh yeah, we'll just stay. We'll just stay. I'll watch the middle. It's 3rd and 7. Oh shit! Come on, Porter. Pick that. Pick that, Porter. Fuck yeah, Porter! Fuck yeah! 3 picks. 3. No, Pete Carroll don't want to start him. 3 interceptions. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's go score now. Let's go get this lead. Did we kick off or did they kick off? I don't remember. Anyways, yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's do this. Dylan Lowry. Ooh, this might be good. So I put Dylan Lowry. No, I'll put Dylan Lowry this way. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I should have done that. We'll take a timeout. We'll take a timeout. I'm fine with taking a timeout. I low-key should have got out of bounds, but it's alright. Alright. Try to find Thornton. Oh my fucking god, bro. Colton Miller, how are you this bad? You're supposed to be our best O-lineman, dude. Fuck. Now they got that covered deep. Oh, why didn't I throw it? Fuck! I forgot Duffy was covering him. Damn it. Oh, fuck. This is fucked now. Alright, let's do this. Can Genty go out there? Alright, Gent. I'm gonna just Genty as a distraction at this point. If I put Tucker, I can't put Tucker out there. All right, fuck it, we're just gonna do it, dude. First of all, what is that route? First of all, what are these fucking throws? Dude, I can't get anything done. I can't. Like, I understand he's a 65 overall, but like, come on, like, really? I mean, that's kind of a. I don't know why I'm going Bowers. Bowers was open. I low-key should have thrown to Bowers. That was a bad read on me, low-key. But what's that ball? And what's that? Like, I'm probably like expecting him to like throw it like over here more. Like right in this pocket. Like if Thor kept running, he would have caught it. But like what? I can't. Like every time I guess on his third down and long throws, he can't throw for shit. All right, on the 20. I mean, still would have been on the 20 if it went out of bounds. All right, let's try to get this shit done. Oh my God, Porter, how do you get that fucking burnt? Are you kidding me? What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? I've gone to replay so many times, but like this game is fucking crazy. Oh my God. Porter. 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 What the fuck, man? Ugh. I don't even know what to do at this point. If we could get a long run with Genty, I'll probably take a timeout. What? All right. All right. I'm trying to look for Beck. Tucker is basically out of the picture at this point. Cannot throw Tucker. Are they in zone? They're in zone. Oh, fuck. Powers. Get it. This guy can't throw on third down. This guy can't throw on the run. What can this guy throw? What can this guy fucking throw? Because I haven't seen anything he can fucking throw. It's zone again. And he doesn't throw it. Oh my god, bro. I want him to throw it like towards out of bounds. Why? Geno Smith is so bad, bro. Like see Tucker's still in stride, still in stride, still in stride. He throws it to where he has to stop his running motion and come back to the ball to make him drop the ball. I fucking hate Geno Smith. And he can't change the play. Oh, he can't change the play? Oh, fuck it. What do we got to lose? What do we got to lose? Nothing. We got nothing to lose. It's fucking ridiculous. I should probably got a field goal out of that, but I don't want to get a field goal. These are the Chiefs. You can't beat the Chiefs fucking field goals. Cannot. You had to get touchdowns. And you have to stop them. Fuck yeah! Probably go to halftime? Yeah, halftime. Halftime now, 21-14. I have no clue if we get the ball back. I just watched this game in real life. This was supposed to be the Unk Bowl. And I had the Steelers defense thinking like, oh, it's against Joe Flacco on the Bengals. Like how could they yeah, how could they score a touchdown? Right? Cuz like, you know, they've been sucking all season. But no, once I start the defense playing them. Yeah. Once I start them. Watch that. They're never going to do that the rest of the season. Bengals are never going to have a game like that the rest of the season. But no, they only do that when I start the defense going against them. Yo, it's only showing the Chiefs, bro. I don't want to see this. You just showed this! Gen Z is not having the best games. We need to find ways to get him the ball more. I think if we get the ball to him more, and we are kicking off. Fuck. If we find ways to get him the ball more, I think we'll have a chance in this. All right, let's stop these motherfuckers. Oh my god, bro. Fuck. Literally one big play and they're already on our side. I do not like Landon Roberts out there. I want... It's supposed to look like that. I was... What? What? Oh, fuck. We're not going to win this game. We are not going to win this game. Why? Oh, fuck. That was my fault. I didn't even want to be on Stokes. Fuck, we are getting fucked right now. I think it's gonna be a run. Yep. How did they get blocks like that? It makes no sense. Alright, 2nd and 8. Let's fuck. Like what? Why would he throw that? What? Fuck it, we're gonna do all out blitz. All out blitz, bitches. I probably shouldn't do this. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Ah! Fuck. You know what? We're fucking tanking, dude. We're tanking. We're trading away everyone. We're getting the first overall pick. Yep. Fuck me, dude. Fuck. And we're starting Aiden. Once Aiden comes back, we're fucking starting him, dude. We're trading Ray Gino next season. Nah, is he gonna retire? I remember like all the time, like once he turned 35, like he retire. Oh my god. Fuck. All right. Let's get Jen to the ball. He's the rushing leader, bro. We should get him the ball more. All right, I need good runs here. Good runs here. That's not what like Bowers. Block. There's literally no one in the middle. No one should. Ah, there we go. It's good. That's good. It's good. Good run. Good run. I'm not doing that. Nope. What? Why? What the fuck is going on? And he can't. He doesn't. Why am I in this? Why am I in this zone? Oh my god, I should stay in the zone all the time. What the fuck? There we go. I kind of don't like this. Single back situation. What? No. I want to. Oh, okay. Ah, fuck. Fuck. I gotta stop doing that. Let's keep doing this. Oh, break a tackle, bro. Come on. Runs are doing really good with that view. I don't really like this part, but I fuck with the. Ooh. What was that? Wide open hole. Wide open hole. Let's go. Speed out. Yep. Nice. Nice. We're driving here. We are driving. I don't like that. Might look for Mayor here. Got Mayor. Truck that motherfucker. Oh, Thornton might be open here. If not, look for Jack Beck. Yep, Thornton. Touchdown, Thorn. Let's go. That was a good drive. Badass drive. Let's fucking go. Smack her ass. Sorry. Oh, fuck. Oh, that made me feel good. Come on, we gotta stop him on D. We had to stop him on D. Oh, fuck. I know. I can't. Fuck. Come on. I'm not gonna throw to him again. We gotta. Oh, fuck. Probably gonna go deep to. Let's go! Tyree Wilson with the second sack. You know what? We might keep him. We might keep him. He has 5 sacks on the season. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god! What are you doing? Ah! There was a guy right there. He was right there. Ah! Dude, he was. Who was? Oh! Who is this? Chris Smith, you have the deep zone. Darren Porter has a deep zone. Jeremy Chin has a deep zone. Chris Smith has a deep zone. Why the fuck are you running in the middle? Why are you going with Travis Kelce? Better yet, it was cover 4 quarters. There was no reason why he should be fucking running with him. Oh my god. This guy's going to throw 6 touchdowns against us. Before I even start on offense, I'm going to make sure that he doesn't come in at all. At all. But fucking... I'd rather have fucking this guy in. Yeah, we're gonna keep it like that. Look for Trey Tucker, maybe. I don't know. If he's not open, I'm just gonna throw it away. I don't think he's gonna be open. Yep, he's open. Oh my god, Gino! Fuck! Fourth quarter. Let's just keep giving the ball to Jency, I guess. I swear to God, if he doesn't know. Okay. Alright, come on, Jency. Never mind, our O-line's just gonna be little bitches. I'll run with them again. Oh my fucking god, bro. I'm gonna run with him again. Oh my fucking god. Gino, change the fucking play! Change it! Are you kidding me? He's not gonna change it. Okay. Nice cut. First down! Fuck yeah! He gave Jency the ball. Fuck, I don't like this. I don't like this either. Just gonna keep running with him. Ah, fuck! One time he breaks the tackle, there's no blocks. No way he's already had a fucking 850 yards. There's no blocks there. I can't. Let's try to do a screen with him. No. Should go Jency. That's gotta be first down. That's a first down. I should have got out of bounds, lucky. Stop the clock. Yeah, that's my fault. I want to look for Bowers here. Or Beck. Beck. Ah, fuck! Come on, white boy, run faster. Let's go. Run. Ah, fuck. We're running straight to Chris Jones. It's probably not a good idea. Ah! It's probably boring as fuck to watch, but... no, I need a... Why is Mostert in? Ah, fuck. We're cooked. Brock Bowers wide open. Fuck yeah! That's a fucking dime, Gino. Touchdown! Brock Bowers. Come on, let's fucking stop him on D, bro. Fuck! We're not out of this. Fuck these guys, bro. Fucking hate the Chiefs. 6-9. Nice. Come on, Devin White. Punch that ball out. All right, stop him at 26. Come on. Let's fucking lock in, bro. What if we go to man? No. What? What do you mean? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. That's not a good. That's not good. That's not good. They're beating us in everything, dude. We're getting no pressure. They're beating us in everything. They're definitely gonna run the ball. Shoot the clock. Fuck yeah! Stop him. Come on. Stop him. Stop him. Let's go. 39. Come on. One more stop. One more stop. Oh fuck! I'm so scared. Oh. Come on. Dude. What the fuck? Bro. How? What is Devin White doing? Ah! Dude, you have a guy coming into your zone. Oh my god, bro. There's no fucking way, man. 2-minute warning. I mean, they're gonna get a field goal. Fuck. Fuck. God, Devin White, you're dick, bro. You're fucking dick. Oh shit. Out of bounds? That's out of bounds. Yeah, you got out of bounds. Oh, fuck. There's no fucking way, bro. Oh my god. It's our first time out. Oh my god! Pick it off, Chin! Oh my god! Oh, that would have been good! Ah! Fuck! Let's block it. Ah! No, I didn't touch him. Okay. Oh, fuck. We're not. I don't think we're gonna win this game. Fuck, we're down 10. There's no way we come back. We have 2 timeouts. There's no way we come back. Bro, it's gonna take us the rest of the game to get downfield. And that doesn't help. Oh, fucking god, bro. That's game. 3 picks by Gino. Again. Every fucking game throws a pick. Fuck. Played good offense, but our defense, once again, our defense is going to sell us. Like always, defense is always going to sell us. Oh, shit. That's going to be game. 28-38 Chiefs. We fall to 2-5. Fuck. Geno Smith, you are getting benched as soon as Aiden O'Connell comes back. Fuck. Oh, that loss made me mad. I fucking hate losing to the Chiefs. It was literally 2 plays. There were 2 plays that made a huge difference in the game. It was Xavier Worthy getting that first down right there, and Jeremy Chin not picking it off. Oh, fuck, bro. Oh, can't do nothing now. Jensen didn't score this game. Thornton made a very big impact, though. Don't show that. Disappointing loss, but what can you do? I need Aiden O'Connell to come back very soon. Yep, that puts us in 11th. Well, we'll see after this week. Let's advance to the bye. I'll probably do the trades in the next episode. This episode, I'm probably gonna leave the rest of the episode here. Getting to the bye, we are still in 10th, surprisingly. Denver did lose, but I don't think we're still gonna make the playoffs. Do not think so. But we'll see what happens in the next video. Might do some trades, might not. We'll see. And I'll see y'all twinks later. Bye bye.
She could ruin my life. Are you with that Diddy shit? Oh, hell no. There's nothing in this world
What the fuck?